In this example, we're using the equation 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. This is f of x equals 0 form. We've rearranged it to give x equals minus 2 fifths, x cubed plus 2x squared minus 1, giving us the iteration formula xn plus 1 is minus 2 fifths xn cubed plus 2xn squared minus 1. We have the graphs here. The green is the line y equals x, and the blue is y equals g of x, where g of x is this function. If we start an iteration here and use 1.1 as our first value, we evaluate the function. We need to use this value as our next input, so we go across to y equals x. We evaluate and then use this as our next input. We can see that we are heading towards the root, which we can see in the top right-hand corner of the graph, just here, but it's not a cobweb. This type of pattern is called a staircase. Just as with the cobweb, we can have staircase success or staircase failure. The crucial thing once again is the gradient. We can see here that the gradient of the curve is less than 1. The line y equals x has a gradient of 1, and near the root, our curve has a gradient less than that of this line, and therefore we get success. If the gradient was steep in the vicinity of the root, we'd get a failure.